You will be amazed by this 2022 Lexus IS. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this distinctive Lexus IS, the compact luxury sedan with refined, sporty style. Surround yourself with high-end materials and superb craftsmanship on every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Luxury meets nimble athleticism in this exhilarating IS. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.